ní nǹkan bíi ọdún 11 ó lé ní o. Nígbà yẹn gan ni iléeṣẹ́ ńlá kan bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè yìí. Iṣẹ́ ilẹ̀ rírà, títà, ilé kíkọ́ àti títà gan ni wọ́n gbajúmọ̀ dáadáa lábẹ́ aláṣẹ àti olùdarí ààrẹ Adétọ́lá Emmanuel King. Bí ìṣáná ẹlẹ́ta ní Adron Homes and Properties gbajúmọ̀ dáadáa nílẹ̀ yìí títí dé gbèrè òkun ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n mọ̀ wọ́n dáadáa títí dé gbèrè ọ̀sà látàrí àṣeyọrí ní láti lè ṣe ọ̀hún ṣe káàkiri. Bí oko kò bá jìn wọ́n sọ pé lákò lè kó. Kí ni ìrírí àwọn èèyàn nípa iléeṣẹ́ pàtàkì yìí? Ẹnu oníkànlá tí gbọ́ pọ̀n o, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.
At Adron Homes, we see an urgent need to provide world-class housing standards in Nigeria and Africa. This we are passion-driven to do with our team of seasoned professionals in the real estate environment.
Adron, shelter for everyone. Adron, action hope for everyone.
Point stopping me, like trying to tell me to come and invest, that even if I don't have the plan to build, I can try to make it as an investment. So he said the land was about 900,000 naira then, I think. So I bought it around 900,000 naira. So the payment was made within 6 months. So after then, I told him I want the allocation. Then he told me about the other payments, which is the infrastructure, survey and supervision fee. So I think it was a month after that we got the land.
Incredible,
Actually, the area is very nice because within a short period of time, it was about 2 months after we bought the land at 900,000 naira that it got appreciated to 1.2 million. So then I think the land is about 3 million naira now. So it's a very nice one. Yes, actually bought right. So it's a very good one. So I bought right actually. Yeah.
Adron Homes, making the incredible affordable.
Kò tán síbẹ̀, ẹ tún jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú.
On some of these businesses that have been empowered. Good afternoon, Mr. Babatunde.
My name is Trader Abatunde Kikiela. I'm a forex trader and I'm also a crypto trader. I got to know Adron Homes through my uncle, who introduced me to one of the marketers. The marketer told me about the empowerment promo, which I subscribed into. After which I made an initial deposit and I got this tricycle as the promo gift. Due to the nature of my job, I empowered one of my neighbors that is currently unemployed for him to be riding the tricycle and be making money for himself and for me.
Adron Homes, making the incredible affordable.
Ètò tó kọ́ni lóye.